New developments in the coronavirus cases in Georgia, and as always, we're here to give you the facts, not fear. There are now 6 confirmed cases in the state and 11 presumptive cases of the virus. The Fulton County School District has shut down all schools today after the district says a teacher tested positive for the virus. We have a list of all the schools closing, scrolling at the bottom of your screen. Mara Siriani is live outside of Woodland Middle School in East Point. Mara, this was one of the 2 schools where the teacher worked.
Yeah, that's true. And so basically now district leaders will have to determine how long schools will remain closed for. Meanwhile, I can tell you the crews will be going into all schools today, district-wide, basically doing a deep clean and working to disinfect. Meanwhile, district leaders say that teacher who tested positive for the coronavirus, they did work here at Woodland Middle and over at Bear Creek. Now, officials say that teacher was at school Friday when they started to feel sick. At that point, staff members called 911 to take the teacher to the hospital. The district providing a list to public health officials of staff and students who may have had direct contact with that teacher. Fulton County Schools was made aware of the diagnosis Monday, immediately dismissing Woodland, Bear Creek Middle, as well as nearby Creekside High School before calling off school today district-wide.
Well, what they did was call from the school, letting them know they were gonna get out early because of the virus.
And all extracurricular activities are canceled for today. Meanwhile, the district will make a decision about what to do in the future tonight by 5 o'clock. Of course, we'll be following all developments in this story very closely.
All right, Mara, thank you. And an important distinction, Fulton County schools are closed. Atlanta public schools are still open. And this just in, a Fulton County school employee is under self-quarantine after coming in contact with a coronavirus patient. A letter was sent to parents of students at McGarity Elementary School yesterday. The school says custodial staff fumigated the school on Sunday, and at this time, the employee did not test positive or show any symptoms. We're going to take a live look at Dobbins Air Reserve Base in Marietta this morning. That's where at least 34 passengers on board a cruise ship will be quarantined. The passengers were on the Grand Princess cruise ship after several people tested positive. We're told the people being transported here to Dobbins have not tested positive for the coronavirus, but they will be tested throughout the quarantine period. Governor Brian Kemp announcing a state park is being prepared for a possible coronavirus isolation site. Hard Labor Creek State Park in Morgan County now being prepared as a destination for potentially exposed patients. 7 emergency trailers have been installed in the nearly 6,000-acre park. The governor's office says this is being done out of, quote, an abundance of caution. At this moment, no patients are currently scheduled to be transferred there.